Hi. Recognize this space? I'm sure you don't, because I have some updates for you. So first of all, I just want to say I have been wanting to film, like I've been getting the urge to film here and there and everywhere, but it's always, I don't look good enough, or the room isn't clean, or I'm not prepared, or I'm just too lazy to get my camera out. So here I am, no bra, clothes on the bed behind me, just standing boldly in the face of perfectionism saying, hello, I'm here. At least my hair looks lit. My sister did it. I love it. I want to update you guys and I want to just do a little vloggy content stuff. So let's go, let's do it. First of all, I never moved to LA. What? I know. And I might still, who knows? But I flew in directly to San Diego to stay with my sister and kind of sort out my situation, my job, my housing, all that in LA. Yeah, I went to the beach a couple times with her and that never happened. I decided I want to stay. And her roommates have been generous enough to allow me to essentially share her room with her for the time being. She also lives pretty much part-time at her boyfriend's place, so this is just a solid arrangement. So yeah, I'm here. I'm in San Diego. I am not pursuing acting currently. I'm actually pursuing writing, and I'm in a little bit of a rebirth right now. We've had some meltdowns, some breakdowns, some crying sessions, some venting sessions, and ultimately, I think I'm in a transformative stage. I'm being reborn. I'm moving towards things that are better for me. So there's my update. With that, this is my sister's room that we've kind of made both of our space now, and I am pursuing freelance copywriting at the moment. Who knows what'll happen by the next video, but in this moment I'm pursuing freelance copywriting on Fiverr, among other things. So I'll give you an update on that. I have a bunch of fun things I want to update you on. But over the last week or so, in addition to having interviews and then deciding I don't want to have a full-time job and then transitioning to freelance writing, I was frantically shopping for a desk and a desk chair with my sister and setting up my desk space to be my little productive writing nook. And I also wanted it to be aesthetic and cute and my own. So since I'm pursuing writing, working remotely, working from home, I'm gonna spend a lot of time at this desk, so I want it to be cute. So I'll show you what I did today, what I have set up so far, and then I just got some Amazon packages behind me that I'm gonna open up and show you what's arrived and add on to the already existing cute little aesthetic desk situation I got going on. In addition, I just want to put out there that one of my goals as I'm going through this transformation, crisis, rebirth, phoenix, moment is to be more consistent with YouTube. So for me, that looks like filming when I'm not entirely ready, filming when the circumstances aren't perfect, because ultimately that's what vlogs are. And I think that's what people want to see. I watch so many vlogs that are just random blurry clips of train windows and eggs being cooked in a pan, and who cares, right? It's the human element of it, and I like that kind of stuff, and I know a lot of people do. So I'm here, I'm committing to it. I want to do at least 2 vlogs next month, at least 2, okay? 2 coming. Hold me to it. And just, you know, I know it's not going to be a huge success overnight, but I have a timeline I've made for myself, and I'd love to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of January, and I'd love to reach 4,000 watch hours by the end of January, because at that point I could become monetized, which is fantastic, but also those are just really great milestones for me to kind of keep at it, keep posting. And I enjoy it, but it's something I have to hold myself to, so hold me to it. Hold me to it with me, okay? No more talking, let's open some packages. I know what this one is. This is probably the most exciting. This is my new keyboard. This is the first time ever I've purchased a keyboard. I've always just had laptops. I've never had a desktop, and I don't now. But you'll see what I got going on. I got a plan. And then we have this little feller and this little feller, and I honestly can't remember what those are, so let's start there. Oh, tea. Tea. I forgot about this. Okay, so the first thing, oh wow, honestly, the fact that these are packaged together is just, but first I need to explain myself. I've been wanting to get back into fiction for a while now, and I found myself on Book Talk getting some stellar recommendations, but I've also found myself on Erotica Talk. That's right. And I have literally never read any erotica. But I had to ask myself, why? Why wasn't I giving myself that pleasure? Now, I might have some trouble because as a writer myself, if I don't vibe with the writing style, I'm done. Like, it kills the experience for me. I'll put the book away. But I'm gonna be forgiving. I'm gonna be patient. And ultimately, all I have to lose is my own pleasure. So I am starting off my erotica series, my erotica experiment, if you will, with an author that came highly recommended. It was actually another book of hers, I think, that was more highly recommended, but this one really attracted me, so. The siren. If you happen to have read this book or know this author or have erotica recommendations, drop them down below, baby. So I guess I'll give her a review when I'm done, or maybe I'll make an erotica series. Who knows? Beginning of a beautiful journey. But the funniest part to me is that the box that came in was paired with pepper spray, a girl's best friends. Maybe this is the thumbnail. Stay safe out there, ladies. Also, pepper gel came recommended through TikTok, as does everything. It is officially the encyclopedia for our generation. From a self-defense expert, he said pepper spray is not as recommended because it can blow back in your eyes, and I have experienced that firsthand. Okay, fine, I'll tell you the story. Essentially, I was testing it out. I was like, I wonder if this works. Wind was blowing this way, in my eyes. So get the pepper gel, ladies. Get the pepper gel. Package number 2. Who are you? Oh, this is great. This is wonderful. Okay, so basically, I have video of my moving, packing process, moving back to the West Coast, and it's all trapped on my camera right now. I can explain. My old laptop ran out of storage a long time ago, but editing videos using iMovie on there was a huge pain in the ass because it didn't have storage for more than like 10 minutes of video. And something happened recently where it went down to like 5. So I snapped, I bought a new laptop online on a payment plan, and I'm excited for that too because I have absolutely no excuse to not edit my videos at my leisure. I have plenty of storage now. However, the new Mac I got doesn't have an SD card slot. You guys know about that? There's no memory card slot. So I was like, what the fuck do I do? So I found out about this cable, should help me out in connecting my camera to my laptop. So, and finally, and perhaps most excitingly, I don't know how this angle looks, but here we are once again. I'm torn into pieces, can't deny it. Guys, okay, I once again can't show my address, but this is a very popular keyboard on Amazon. It comes in so many colors. I got it in green, but you'll see there's a couple different colors. It's gonna look like that. Oh, stop it. Literally stop. How cute is that? Oh my god, it's so cute. I mean, the satisfaction of having a vision for something and sweating over the perfect Amazon cart and then having it turn out is just... It came with this weird little brush for... I mean, I appreciate it, but there's hot glue coming off of it, and that's gonna bother me. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can relate, but like, I start something, a new hobby, and instantly, especially with YouTube, I'm like, I could make this a series. Like, I played Sims for 30 minutes the other night, maybe more. Time goes quickly when you're playing Sims. And I was like, am I a gamer girl now? Like, is this gonna be a playlist on my channel? Like, what's going on here? Do I buy the gamer girl chair and the cat ears? Like, is this happening right now? Are we about to kiss? 30 minutes of Sims, so we'll see about that. But another thing that multiple times I've been like, should I not, is ASMR. Like, hi guys, welcome. Shh, shh. I just need the microphone. Shh, 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 shh. Welcome to my ASMR. No, because I'm gonna do it. And another thing I'm gonna do is mukbangs. And I don't wanna hear anything about it. I really don't. Because it's my life, it's my joy, and I wanna do mukbangs. I think I'm gonna do mukbangs. I think I'm gonna try ASMR. Like, we're just here, you know what I mean? We're just here on this planet to vibe. And as long as my bills are paid, let's have fun. Like, what is it? So, okay guys, so here's the desk vibe we've curated so far. Hi, hello. The lighting is so whack, but here she is. My sister put this blanket on the chair because she doesn't really want anything black in the room. It throws off the vibe we have going on over here. But I don't mind it because the color scheme I picked for this was pink and green, and it's comfy, so I'm just gonna keep her there for now. The lighting is truly so whack, but again, I'm using all light fixtures possible. I love, okay, we're gonna close her. Hello, like we're off to an amazing start. Love the keyboard, new laptop, pink and green, like I said. This plant was my sister's. The shelf is from Amazon. This adorable clock is from Amazon. I just stole the battery to put it in the mouse. Amazon. This LED lamp that I have yet to use that needs 3 AA batteries is from Daiso. And then look at this collage I put up today. How cute. How cute is she? I'm really, really happy with this. This is also from Amazon. It's a collage kit you can buy. I didn't pick these photos myself. They just came together. Super easy. 15 bucks. So I'm really happy about that. And it's bringing so much life to the desk. We got this tiny trash can from IKEA. Desk from IKEA on clearance because that little drawer doesn't open. Got it for 44 bucks. And chair from IKEA for 80 bucks. This is not a pencil holder, but I made it so, also from Daiso. I think I'll end this vlog here just to keep it short and sweet and all on one topic. But I love you guys and I'm really, really excited to do 2 more videos next month, at least 2. And I think right now I'm gonna get to work at my adorable desk on editing my video of my move, which should be very exciting and all over the place and chaotic. And hopefully I can upload that tonight. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon.